Hey guys, it's Megan. Last week Raquel showed you guys what to pack for an extended motorcycle trip, and today I'll be showing you how to pack your bike for an extended motorcycle trip. Every bike's different and everyone's packing style is unique, so I'm just going to show you some of my tips and tricks for how to pack and hope you guys can use them. One of the first things you're going to want to invest in is a sissy bar with a rack. These are sold in our parts department and they are super easy to attach and detach from the bike. Simply line it up with the posts and it's a quick snap into place. Once you have your sissy bar in place, you can go ahead and start loading up the bags. This luggage bag by Harley-Davidson is one of my favorites. It's pretty big and it also has wheels on the back. I also love how there's different compartments to organize all of your things. There are reflective linings across the entire bag for higher visibility. It also comes with a rain bag, so if you encounter any wet weather, go ahead and just easily slip that on over the bag and everything inside will stay safe and dry. The zippers are also made to be compatible with gloves, so any rider knows zippers and gloves are not friends, but these zippers were designed specifically for that reason. I personally like to secure it to the bike like this because this adds a bit of a backrest. Even though this particular seat is a Saddlemen and it has a good amount of support, it really helps to have that extra backrest back here for you on long rides. The back of the bag has a spandex slip, so all you have to do is insert it over the back seat of the bike, and that is the first attachment point onto the sissy bar. The next thing I'm going to do is secure the bag onto the bike using a couple of bungee cords. I also like to use some soft straps just to protect any paint or chrome that the bungee cords would come in contact with. If you ask me, the more bungees the better, so I'm going to go ahead and put another one. A very important piece of travel equipment is the bungee net. You can get these in our parts department as well. They come in a package that looks like this. This bag has these awesome D-hooks on them, so you can go ahead and directly attach the netting to the bag. I use this net to put anything that I'll be taking on or off throughout the day while riding for easy access. So my leather chaps, if it gets cold, I can grab them, throw them on. If it's getting warm, I can take off my sweatshirt, throw it on here, quick and easy. This is the next bag that's going to go onto the bike. In here we had our sleeping bag, our sleeping mat, and some other camping supplies. So this is going to attach directly to the travel rack. What's great is this one actually has these connection points already built into the bag. Easy snap, so it's easy on and easy off of the bike. Once again, the more bungees the better. It's better to be safe than sorry, so I'm going to go ahead and even though this bag is already very secured onto the bike, better safe than sorry. I'm going to add another bungee. So now we have most of our gear taken care of. I'm going to go ahead and make room for our tent. For the tent, I like to just attach it directly on top of the saddlebags, which Raquel already stocked for us. Go ahead and place it right there, get it snug in with the rest of your luggage, and add a couple more bungees. I typically have another bag. I like to take my camera with me, so I always put that right here on top of this bag and just use another netted bungee to strap on top. So if you have anything else that you need, you still have all of this space to work with to add to. And finally, the last bag I recommend getting is a handlebar bag. In here you can keep your phone as well as any chargers, things you want to get to easily, a wallet, easy grab at a gas station. This is also where we keep our snacks for the road. Once again, this bag comes with easy attachments, slides directly underneath the handlebar, and hooks on. No need for any bungees with this one. There you go. And with that, you are ready for the road. I hope that all of you enjoy this summer. There are definitely safe ways to be traveling, especially by motorcycle right now. So get out there, have a good time, and let us know if you have any questions. Have a good one, guys.